easy go.
Good day guys, and welcome back to one of Justin the Tech Guy's tech videos. And today I have a video on the J7. This is the Verizon version, and the Verizon version is a bit different from the usual version. To access most of the internal, you have to access the internal from behind the screen. So what you want to do is apply heat around the edges of the screen. And if you don't have a heat gun such as this one, this is like your regular heat gun, you could go ahead and use, for say, a blow dryer. That will help a lot. So what you want to do is apply heat around the edges. Then what you want to go ahead and do, use like a pick tool such as this one, and pick around the edges. I have done this before, so I'm not going to do it again. The screen is already off, but you want to pick from the bottom and work your way around. After you go ahead and lift the screen up, you want to go ahead and make sure you do it right on the edge, because there is a ribbon here that that broke when I was doing mine. So if you notice right here, there's a broken ribbon. I wanted to get to the circuit board, but I didn't know that ribbon was there, so I accidentally break the screen. So I had to go ahead and get a new screen from eBay. This costs like $30 on eBay. So you want to go ahead and unscrew from here. As you can see, the screws are now revealed, and you want to go ahead, and I've already unscrewed these, so you want to go ahead and unscrew those, and then you're going to take the back off. Be very careful, and also before you take the phone apart, please make sure that the headphone jack is connected to the home button and two sensors. That's the back button and the menu button. So you want to make sure that this ribbon is still intact, because I broke that one too. I think this is the first teardown video of this phone online, because before I tear this phone down, I was looking for tutorials to see how I would go about tearing this phone down, but I was the crash test dummy, so that's what you get. So first, what you want to do is make sure when the phone is together, you want to make sure that ribbon is intact, because it's for the home button and the sensors. And you want to go ahead and remove that button. So that's for the mic and the sensor buttons. So make sure that ribbon is still intact also. Other than the screen, that was the only thing that happened. So that's the two things you have to worry about: the screen ribbon and the sensor button and the home button ribbon. And that's basically it for the teardown. And there's only one screw that is holding the motherboard in, so you gotta just unscrew that screw, and the motherboard comes right apart from the back or the inside part of the phone. And so you want to apply heat to the screen, then use a pick it around until you expose the screws. You want to go ahead and screw all those screws out, and then you have your circuit board exposed. I wanted to get to the charging port, because it's not working properly. I'm gonna work on that further on in this month when I get my solder gun. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. So you want to go ahead and do that. And I'm not going to screw this in, because as I said before, I'm gonna put back the home button. Make sure that's all together. Maybe you want to wipe your camera a little bit. And what you want to go ahead and do is just place the ribbon clip inside. And haven't take the glue off yet, so I'm gonna just leave that here for a little bit. You want to insert the battery, and if I power up, you notice that it's the Verizon version. And there you go, it's working fine. And I can't stress this enough, you have to make sure you pick right on the edge and not too much in, because you will break that ribbon right there. And as you can see, it's a working phone. It's working great. No SIM found because there's no SIM inserted, so it's asking me to verify WhatsApp and all that. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Verizon V. This is the new J7 from Verizon. I think this is a 2016 phone, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it helped. And like if you like, and subscribe if you like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Right.
Easy go.